Here's how I made this snowflake wreath for under $10. First, grab yourself one of these metal rings from the Dollar Tree, and then go ahead and spray paint it white if you're unable to find a silver one. I did 2 coats. You will also want to get a variety of snowflakes, some with glitter, some without, large and small. I highly recommend you do a dry run because the first time I did this, I just started gluing and I made it about 3/4 way around the wreath and I ran out of snowflakes. So I started with the solid ones and now I'm going to place the clear snowflakes in between those so I can make sure everything is evenly spread out before I start gluing. When you do place these down, make sure you're using quite a bit of hot glue. Next, I'm just going around and gluing any overlapping pieces just to make it a little more secure. I'm also going to flip this over and add more glue to the back of the snowflakes before I add the next layer. Now take all your small snowflakes and start adding those on and just kind of spread them out evenly like you did the first layer. For the final step, flip this over one more time and now glue the crap out of it. Put glue everywhere and as much as you can because you do not want this to come apart, next year or when you have it stored. So I just spread it everywhere. Then just hang it on your door or your wall. We're going to use it on our front door and look how pretty it is. I especially love when the sun hits it because it glistens like a real snowflake.